Right, so just a quick video, doing an exhaust on a Astra G. Yeah, Astra G I think. So common for them to break at the Flexi. Sound a bit like a straight pipe car once they're gone. Just put the lambda sensor in the new pipe. That is, what brand is that? That is a Clarius brand aftermarket pipe. New gasket, new clamp. Fairly easy if you can get the studs off, because it breaks off at the cap. They're the main ones that you need to be concerned about. So if you leave the car running a bit, let it warm up a bit, then you can spray some WD on the bolts, and you can. It's a 12mm socket I got them off with, but if they're really rusty, you can knock a 11mm on. They will come. Just take your time with them. Bit of a clamp, just a standard U-bolt clamp. They come off, 213mm, they come off, and then you'll need a chisel and a hammer, and you have to spread. Here we can get the top down there. One out. So you have to spread the pipe open a bit to get it moving. Failing that, if it doesn't come out that much, it should do. As long as you separate a bit of it, you can usually get a hammer and chisel and knock the pipe forward to the car, and that usually breaks the carbon and bits of rust that are on it anyway. But yeah, but when you reinstall it, obviously knock them up with a hammer or try and straighten them out as much as possible. Put a bit of exhaust paste or silicone around your pipe going into that, and also a little bit on the gasket and on the flange for the cap. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you like the content. I want to see more of the content that are put on my channel. Please click the bell notification button to be notified when I put new videos on. If you didn't like the video, please leave a thumbs down and let me know in the comments as to why you didn't like the video. Also, if you have any questions, just send me a message. Thanks for watching.